What's going on, Saints fans? Theo Mitchell here. Now, Super Bowl Sunday is a few days away. We want to make sure you're eating right and you're game day ready. We are hanging out at the Delgado Community College Culinary Arts kitchen. We have hooked up with HelloFresh. We got something new and something you're absolutely going to love. Now, this meal is delicious, it's fun, and it's easy to make. So today, we are making the sweet chili pork Super Bowls. Some would say it's going to be an ambush on your taste buds.
Onside kick to start the second half. And the Saints football, they recover the onside kick.
All right, so first things first, you want to wash your produce. Now, I already have my veggies cut right here. I have my onions, and I have my red bell peppers. Now, the next step is to zest your lime. Here's my lime right here. Now, I'm full of zest, but I'm not a zester by any means. Okay, so I'm calling in reinforcements. Jerick, come on over here. How you doing today? Okay, so I'm a rookie in the kitchen. You're an all-pro. How do you safely and responsibly zest your lime?
Right, so the first thing you want to do is grab your zester.
Okay.
If you don't have a zester at home, you find something common called a cheese grater.
I got that.
It wouldn't work
Okay.
as good, but it'll get the job done.
Okay, I like it.
Okay, so the first thing I'm doing, as you see, I'm wearing gloves. And usually working around these zesters and cheese graters and things like that, it's really easy to nick your finger. So what you want to do here is you want to zest in a circular motion going around the fruit instead of just slicing into the fruit like this. You don't want to do this motion here because what it will do is it will go right down to the rind, and you don't really want the rind because it's a very bitter taste.
Okay.
So remember, where there's color, there's flavor.
All right, so we have our veggies ready to go. Our pork is ready to go. We're gonna get some cilantro, sprinkle a little on top. There you go. Oh, that looking nice. For the final touch, lime on top. And there you have it, your sweet chili pork Super Bowls. Meal of a champion. It looks good, don't you agree? Feel like you're raising the Lombardi trophy after you make this. Now, if I can do this, you can do this too. All you have to do, go to HelloFresh.com/Saints, up to $110 in discounts. Have fun in the kitchen. Let's go, Saints. And thank you, HelloFresh, the official meal kit of your New Orleans Saints.